Hello guys. So if you're looking to upload high quality videos on WhatsApp, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly, let me show you the video that I want to send. So if I go to my gallery, then album, then video. So the video that I want to send is this one. Now if I go to the details panel of this video, you will see that this video is 103 MB. Now if I send this video normally through WhatsApp by clicking on the share icon, then choosing WhatsApp, then click on the person that you want to send and click on the send icon. So as you can see at the top part, the video is now compressed to 5.9 MB. So it reduced most of its quality and resolution. So if you send this one, it is not the same quality as it was in the gallery. Now, how you can send the full video with full quality? So for doing that, what you have to do is send the video as a document. So for doing that, click on the attachment icon over here. Then click on document. Then click on browse all documents. Then go to the video panel. Then just simply click on the video. As you can see, it is 103 MB. So click on the video. Then hit select at the top part. And that's it. As you can see, it is showing the entire 103 MB. So now all you have to do is just simply hit send. And now it will be sent as a MP4 file and nothing will be compressed. So let it finish. And after that, just simply open it. And you can choose any player. And it will be in full quality. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.